What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. So today we're gonna be doing a project. We're gonna take a step out from the Alberto's project that I was working on, and I'm gonna do some school. I'm gonna keep going. This is right for those of you that don't know. This is how I'm gonna be learning UI UX. Just to get a little reference, UI is the visual design, UX is the research part of it, where people click and this and that, and then UI, visual design, like colors, schemes, themes, visual design. This is a school teaches you from A1 to there's lessons. These aren't numbered. These are just like the latest lessons. Now that I notice, I started this like a month or 2 months ago, and they're the same. I think this one's a new. These are supposed to be the latest lessons. I don't know how early they are. Designing for AR. They got designs for everything. But we're going through the basics first. These are the first, so it's still part of the lessons, right? If you scroll all the way down, however far, these are the first 50 lessons. And I'm on this one, I believe. Yeah. It's a documentary. I watched that movie already, or documentary. And then bonus material, that's a book. And then so just go to this website and you find the book. And this is the last. There's 3 sections. There's a little menu right here. There's a letter section, and text section, and then there's a grid section. Extras. I already went through extras because this was taking forever to load. So I went through the extras, and the extras is pretty much some of the little stuff that was in here. And we're here, project modular. So that's it. I kind of wanted to finish it already because I've been on this for like 2-3 weeks already, bro. On this part right here. So I've been literally this link for a long time, so I want to continue on to lesson 3. That's 50 lessons. And I'm doing the Alberto's project in between, even though I'm not a UI UX pro, because I want to get things done and learn, right? Like learn on the way. Imagine how long if I did one a week, bro. 50 weeks, and then I started on my project. Nah, bro. I'd rather just start working on things now. Anyways. Alright, so I got a little bit done. I forgot that I wasn't recording, but it wasn't much. So I basically finished. Let me show you guys real quick. I basically finished the first project. Boom, bada bing, right there. Pretty simple. And now on to the poster project, which is like another one. This will be the last for just in typography for the for that book. This is the prompt or whatever. It says week 1 and week 2, but we ain't got weeks like that, so I'm just gonna do them right now. First step is first draft of the design. Darken. Was it normal? Oh, it's pastor. Yeah, I don't know. I'll do it some other day. Alright. Well, what's that? That's it. It's my poster. Well, that's it. What's next? Well, I'm gonna start studying. I'm gonna go on to go back to lessons. Go on to the amazing new mobile web. That's from 3. Just do a couple of these and then yeah, just keep going, just keep learning. This right here, I just used it for posters, for this poster, but this is where, as you guys can see, when I was trying to create it, you can, there's like sizes for like the iPhone 11. This is where you do the UI. So there's like prototype and stuff like that. I don't know about it all yet, so I'm just gonna chill it out for a bit. I'm gonna keep reading over here. For today, and then I may do Alberto's for a little bit, and probably tomorrow I'll film it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good nice day. If you haven't voted, well, by the time, never mind. Well, I don't know when I'm uploading. So if you haven't voted, vote. If not, I mean, I don't know who won. I read here right now. It's 5:30, so peace out.